The case of two men tried twice in connection with the alleged plot to kidnap Governor Whitmer will soon be in the hands of the jury.
Jury deliberations are set to get underway Monday in the retrial of Adam Fox and Barry Croft.
Lawyers on both sides presented their last witnesses for testimony today after their first trial ended in a hung jury.
News 8's Joe LaFurgey continues our gavel-to-gavel coverage.
The judge providing guidelines to the jury for what they need to rely on to reach a decision. Domestic terrorism or government setup. Those are the choices a jury is set to begin deliberating Monday. Over 9 days, the government tried to convince jurors that the anger Adam Fox and Barry Croft expressed over the government drove them to devise and prepare a plan to kidnap Governor Gretchen Whitmer from her northern Michigan cottage and either put her on trial or leave her stranded on a boat in the middle of Lake Michigan. Prosecutors presented evidence collected by undercover FBI agents and informants of plans to build bombs to take out bridges in the small community of Elk Rapids, where the governor's cottage is located, to slow down police response. Fox and Croft's attorneys countered with an entrapment defense, saying it was the FBI informants and agents who pushed the plan, including offering the two money that caused them to go along with it. Both Fox and Croft have been described at various times during the trial as big talkers.
It's not just that the burden lies with them. They have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that it wasn't entrapment, and there's huge evidence of entrapment.
Both men face conspiracy charges. In his instructions to jurors, U.S. District Court Judge Robert Yonker says Fox and Croft could be found guilty if jurors believe there was a mutual understanding to commit a kidnapping, among other factors, even if one wasn't carried out. The judge also said entrapment could apply if the jury believes agents and informants persuaded Fox and Croft to commit a crime that they weren't willing to do before engaging them.
We're confident going into closing arguments on Monday. I appreciate the extra time today and over the weekend to kind of hone the arguments so we can clearly indicate to the jury some very simple ways to take apart a very complex plot hatched by the FBI to entrap my clients.
Closing arguments set to begin 8:30 Monday morning. After that, the jury is set to begin deliberations. In Grand Rapids, Joe LaFurgey, News 8.